first kind of team conflict is probably the one most people really know, right? It's task conflict. It's about what do we do to tackle this goal. So you have a project, you have lots of projects going on. You are coming together with hopefully diverse points of view. Tech has a problem with that. But hopefully you're working on diversity in your teams and you are deciding how do we address this? How do we solve for this future creep? Do we add this? What are we going to do for our manufacturing facility choice? How do we work with our third-party vendors? That is the what. So we hope that you have kind of moderate levels of that conflict because we know a lot of data out there that says if you have moderate levels of task conflict, you're going to have better solutions. Now that doesn't mean you're a dick about it. That doesn't mean you get to come in and say, well, I learned this thing about conflict that I get to be sort of a jerk and get into it. No, do conflict well, but you want to have some disagreement. That's healthy. So that's the first kind, task conflict. The second kind is process conflict. This is not the what, it's the how. How do you work together? So it's about who's in charge of what? Who's going to follow up with what? Are our personality conflicts working okay in our team meetings? When I do work with teams, I build in things like process checks. Halfway in a 60-minute session, I'll hold this up and I'll say 5-minute process check. And what does that mean? That means they're getting a process conflict. How is this meeting working for you? Are the right people in the room? Is it a good use of time? Are we talking effectively? Are people rambling? That's a process check. It's the how you're working together. Mostly people don't pay attention to this, and it's the most important one of the three. Also, process conflict is a proxy for the third one. The third one that nobody really enjoys dealing with, but you have to, relationship conflict. How are we? I'm going to call up my co-founder who I had an issue with and say, you know, we had that difficult conversation about our legal agreement. Can we chat? How did you feel with that? What was going on for you? This is what was going on for me. So you're seeking first to understand and to be understood. You have to deal with those issues or they will be what blows up a founding team. Okay, so now you know something about the three kinds of conflict. I'm going to pass